using YH-OBD platform to repair the mileage of Benz HU6 instrument. Remove the Benz HU6 instrument module from the car. Power on the ACDP. Open ACDP app. Confirm in the upper right corner that the ACDP device has been bound. Click Benz. Click HU6 ODO module IC177 mileage correction. Click R7F701403. Click OBD plus ICP reset mileage. Click original module YH platform. Click on the help in step 1. Connect ACDP to the Benz HU6 module properly. Push the switch of the interface board towards the CAN R. Click step 1 to 0BD backup data. Click OK. Click Continue. Check total drive mileage and drive mileage. Note van and EZS hardware number won't show when using YH-OBD platform. Click Continue. Click OK, save coding data. Pay attention to the path, date, time, and file name of the file backup. Click OK. Click OK, save maintenance data. Click OK. OBD backup data finish. Click OK. Click OK. Dismantle the Benz instrument module. Take out the instrument panel. Click on the help in step 2. Connect ACDP to the device properly. Click step 2, ICP modify data. Click OK. Click Continue. Click Continue. Decrypting ART, please wait. Verify system info, click Continue. Click OK, save chip data. Click OK. Click OK. Click Continue. Modify odometer data finish. Click OK. Click OK. Click on the help in step 3. Connect ACDP to the Benz HU6 module properly. Click step 3, OBD modify mileage. Click Continue. Check total drive mileage and drive mileage to see if they have been reset to 0. Click Continue. Click OK, select coding data. According to the date and time, select the coding data ending with coding. Click Continue. Click on the mileage number and enter the mileage number. Click OK. Click Continue. Check the repaired mileage data. Click OK. Click OK. Install the Benz HU6 instrument module into the car. Check if the mileage displayed on the instrument panel is normal. Thank you for watching.